Sunday Funday. Muscle Beach. The gang's all here. You like that blue quote? Wearing a mask to protect yourself from a virus. It's like putting up a chain link fence to keep out mosquitoes. It's interesting. Yeah.
You can bang it. You can push it to the side. It works out well.
Don't depend on the mask.
Yes, absolutely.
I guess is the.
Aren't what they're realistically saying. In other words, I'm going to see Kenny. I'm going to see you. Our bubbles are like all of Venice. These guys might get it. We might. I won't breathe on top of it.
Well, we're in the big city. The big city could pop anywhere, anytime.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it's on now. It's on now.
There's Mask Man.
I think I had it a few months back and I got all the symptoms. I hope I did. And my building. I almost texted. I can't put it in writing. Hoping to the old bastards in my building. Go to a better place early.
Get it. Oh.
Yeah, like on Sunday, people have been out. We couldn't lift that blonde before we showed up. I caught it. One of those old alcohol cards we find
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and the micro beats.
The Giants one? The Giants fan? Short stocky one in the visor?
Yeah, that one. And
my pal from Hot Dog Night.
Oh, yeah. And the little, I'm feeling
Micro tells.
And this music has got a little.
Oh, it's nice.
There's more than just a.
Shakes it up.
Start feeling a little like.
Oh. Yes, sir. You too. Nice day, huh? Premium. Happy New Year. Get up. There you go. Good times. Keep it herbal. Stay active.